till Jesus will come, we always have fake believers. We always have fake converts. And please permit me to say, in every work of God, I am not confused. In my ministry, I know I have someone that will labor, and will not succeed on him. I will not succeed on her. If Jesus labored and there was a Judas in their midst, so who am I? Jesus is showing to us that why we spread the gospel, because the net is the spreading of the gospel. The gospel will bring all kinds of people with hard heart, people with hollow heart, people with half hearts. We will always have people that devil will strategically plant in our midst. To do what? To frustrate us. But Jesus said, let them be growing together. He said at the end of the world, the harvester, they will sort out the good and godly from the bad ones who are the children of the citizen of the kingdom of the devil.